So good morning, students. Let's continue with the topic, that is harmful effects of the on the environment due to the burning of the fuels. So fuels like wood, coal, petroleum release unburned carbon particles which cause respiratory diseases like asthma. And incomplete combustion of fuels release carbon monoxide gas, which is very poisonous gas which can cause death. So, burning of most fuels release carbon dioxide gas, which cause rise in the temperature of the atmosphere, and this is called global warming. And it causes melting of polar ice, rise in sea level, and flooding of coastal areas. Burning of coal and petroleum release oxides of sulfur and nitrogen, which dissolve in rainwater and forms acid rain, and it is harmful for crops, soil, and damages buildings. So, let me explain you each and everything one by one. So whenever we are going to burn a fossil fuel like coal and petroleum and diesel, which produces various air pollutants like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, oxides of sulfur and nitrogen, and unburned carbon particles which cause air pollution. Fuels are mainly hydrocarbons, compounds of carbon and hydrogen. The product formed on combustion depends upon the supply of oxygen, isn't it? So first one, if I talk about carbon monoxide, when a fuel containing hydrocarbons, that is hydrogen and carbon, burns in insufficient supply of oxygen, जब भी उसको supply of oxygen insufficient होता है, it leads in incomplete combustion of fuel and produces carbon monoxide, water and energy. For example, incomplete combustion of methane, a fuel, produces carbon monoxide, water and energy. So carbon monoxide is very poisonous gas. On a cold winter night, it is dangerous to sleep in a closed room with a coal burning inside. It is because no fresh air can enter the room, and when coal burns in an insufficient supply of oxygen, due to closed room, a lot of carbon monoxide is produced, and this can lead to suffocation or may cause to death. So आपने ये sometimes we have heard about so many incidents that somebody has burned coal inside the room and there is no ventilation, proper ventilation नहीं था, जिसकी वजह से कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड जो था वो accumulate होना शुरू हो जाता है रूम में और जिसकी वजह से डेथ हो जाती है. So this is a very poisonous gas, and how it forms? It is forms due to the insufficient supply of the oxygen and incomplete combustion whenever takes place. Shown by a fuel, and this is how carbon dioxide is produced. Now carbon dioxide, अब हम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की बात करते हैं जो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग कॉज करता है. व्हेन अ फ्यूल बर्न्स इन इनसफिशिएंट सप्लाई ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, इट लीड्स टू द complete combustion and produce carbon dioxide, water and energy. For example, complete combustion of methane produces carbon dioxide, water and energy. So carbon dioxide released by the burning of fuel is not poisonous gas. It is not a poisonous gas, but if excess of carbon dioxide is released in the atmosphere, then the rate of greenhouse effect increases. This leads to increase in the average temperature of the earth, and this is called global warming. Global warming, hence the name, globe is warming. So thus the global warming is the rise in the average temperature of the earth's atmosphere. So because of global warming, people are facing, and there is a climatic change in our environment, and there is a cause of melting of polar ice melting, rise in sea level is there. This will going to cause flood in the coastal area, tsunamis will be there. So this is the consequences of global warming. So we have to control all these gases. We have to control the use of the coal and petroleum as much as we can, so that we can protect our earth, isn't it? So the next is burning sulfur dioxide and oxides of nitrogen. If I talk about this, so burning of coal and diesel releases sulfur dioxide gas, and it is an extremely suffocating and corrosive gas. So exhaust of vehicles contain oxides of nitrogen which are very poisonous, and nowadays catalytic converters are installed in the vehicles to convert it into a harmless gas. तो सभी गाड़ियों में आजकल कैटालिटिक कन्वर्टर्स लगाए जाते हैं ताकि हम व्हीकल से जितनी भी हार्मफुल गैसेस और ये ऑक्साइड्स प्रोड्यूस हो रहे हैं उनसे क्या हो सके, उसको वो हार्मलेस गैसेस में कन्वर्ट कर सके. सो ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन जब भी वाटर वेपर्स के साथ ऑन द एटमॉस्फेयर में कंबाइन होते हैं, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन and oxides of sulfur, whenever they combine with the rainwater, they're going to form nitric acid as well as sulfuric acid, and whenever they comes down, they will going to rain in the form of an acid rain. So it destroys the marble, limestone, metallic structures, plants and soil because of its corrosive nature. So as per, you must have heard about that the Taj Mahal is getting pale yellow in color. It is converted into pale yellow in color because there is, due to the problem that is caused by the acid rain. So there is one more thing that I want to tell you. There is a suspended particulate matter. So burning of fuels containing carbon and its compounds releases ash and fine unburdened carbon particles in air. So these particles are known as suspended particulate matter, SPM बोलते हैं बेटा. An excess amount of these particles in air reduces visibility to a few meters, and it also adversely affects the respiratory system of organisms. So we have to control the burning of these fuels, our fossil fuels, and stop producing the harmful gases like carbon monoxide, and we should control the use of these gases, and stop burning it as far as possible, so that we should control this effect of global warming as well as the acid rain, isn't it? So how we can protect our environment? That we should reduce the use of fossil fuels. We should use alternative sources of energy, that is hydroelectricity, wind energy, solar energy, to meet our energy needs, isn't it? So we should use more fuel efficient machines. ज़्यादा फ्यूल एफिशिएंट मशीन्स का इस्तेमाल करना होगा. वी शुड यूज क्लीनर फ्यूल. फॉर एग्जांपल क्लीनर फ्यूल, जैसे मैं आपको पिछले प्रीवियस चैप्टर में सीएनजी के बारे में बता चुकी हूँ, दैट इज compressed natural gas. The use of the diesel and petrol are fuels in automobiles should be replaced by compressed natural gas, because CNG produces the harmful products in very small amounts. CNG produce तो करता है but बहुत ही small quantity में, hence it is called as a cleaner fuel. So I hope this chapter is clear to you. Please go through each and everything in this chapter. आज हमने क्या क्या टॉपिक्स क्लियर करे. आज हमने फ्लेम के बारे में बात की, उसके डिफरेंट जोन्स के बारे में बात किया, और आज हमने ये भी बात की इनरमोस्ट जोन, मिडिल जोन और आउटर जोन के बारे में बात किया हमने. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एन आइडल फ्यूल की दिस टॉपिक वी हैव कवर्ड. कैलोरिफिक वैल्यू ऑफ फ्यूल्स वी हैव कवर्ड, and burning of fuels leads to harmful products, and how we can control the effect that has been caused in our atmosphere or in the environment. All right, so thank you very much. Please read your book and try to find out the question answers which is there in your book. Thank you.